we're back. Fudge, what do we got in the bay?
Hey, look, it's another B58. Let me put on the list so it stops beeping.
M340I, X Drive. Let's do some B-roll. And we're back after that nice cinematography of the 340i.
After the bead roll, you mean?
After the B-roll.
What's up, baby?
What do we got, Fudge?
Yeah, B54, B58.
Oh, you got it right the second time.
M22, 52.
Fudge, I see we got some parts here. I see we got some parts here.
Yeah, I actually like these, Fudge. Like, are these good cars, bro? What?
Better than an STI.
What? What?
It is better than an STI.
Oh,
It is.
Here we go. Yo, an STI will throw this in reverse, alright? Symmetrical all-wheel drive.
This doesn't even need all-wheel drive to tow a STI in reverse. I'll do it with the front-wheel drive.
That thing will get stuck in 2 inches of mud.
Let's start over.
And we're back, Fudge.
All right. So.
And we're back.
We're back. M340i 2020.
X Drive.
M340i X Drive 2020.
In the bay. And we got some goodies here. What do we got?
Well, first, come back this way.
Tell them.
So we did cosmetic stuff on this. So
Yep.
We did the front lip, we did the rear diffuser, we did the rear spoiler.
I think I was gone when you did this.
This was a while ago though.
Yeah, it was.
Like
I think I was
last
gone.
year. So dabbled in the exterior a little bit. We also did AW exhaust on this. So now what we're doing is we have a valve downpipe, catted.
EPA emission compliant.
We have our lowering springs.
Lowering springs.
We have a shine and ride handling kit.
Okay.
Charge pipe. And then the other thing we're also going to be doing is unlocking and flashing the ECU.
Sweet.
And
Oh, look at those.
we got some raw
We got some
going on here.
We got some freshies.
some fresh wheels and tires because I am not a fan of this style of wheel at all.
Nah,
I
it's
don't
very
think it fits the car very well.
it's very basic.
Yeah.
Very
So
basic.
he's got the M blue. He's got the obviously because it's M340 the caliper package. So
The blue.
with the bronze wheels, it'll look really good.
Yeah, I think
It's gonna
so.
be lowered. We're gonna size out wheel spacers for it if it needs it, so it gets it nice and flush. And then she's gonna be one hot M340.
Thanks,
Okay.
Fudge.
Ready for summer.
Ready for summer.
Summer body. Getting that summer body. Getting that summer body.
Thanks, Fudge. back.
It's Monday.
It is Monday.
And Mondays are just being Mondays.
They are.
And I hate Mondays.
And Martin's still trying to start the McLaren.
Trying to start that McLaren. It's just messed up. Okay. So what we have here is your catalytic converter to turbocharger V-band clamp.
Okay.
So the way this works is this is supposed to be in one piece. So this goes like that.
Yep.
And then this goes like that.
Okay.
And then the sides are actually supposed to hold the nut in place.
Okay.
But you know what happens when things don't want to work right? This starts spinning, and then
it's not going to come out.
It doesn't work. So what I did was I loosened it enough, and then I slid it up, and I just cut the bolt in half. We have a new clamp coming, so realistically, you could have just put a new bolt in there or whatever, but whatever, you know, it's just in the garbage. Anyway, moving forward. So we have the stock charge pipe right here.
Out. Yep.
Very plasticky. It's kind of a bitch to pull out. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I have a lot of part here. There's like a water pump here that comes out. The intake comes out. There's a bunch of stuff. So the charge pipe goes from the throttle body and then way down to the inlet of the turbo. I'm sorry, the outlet of the turbo right there.
Way down there.
Yeah, and then that's where your intake sits. So
Okay.
it replaces it with a two-piece metal. We'll go over it when it sits on the car, which makes it nice because you can kind of separate the bottom from the top instead of just having that one piece. Which is also in case you want to go port injection on these cars and you need the spacer for the manifold, you can space it out without having a problem with that.
Oh, okay.
That one-piece pipe. So that's where we're at for now. But I'm kind of hungry. So.
Time for lunch, Fudge.
Time for lunch.
2 hours later.
J Fudge. Where are we at?
Charge pipes in.
Yep.
See it splits there like I was saying before. So it's a two-piece pipe now.
And then goes
Nice and nice.
down there.
Yeah, to the outlet of the turbo.
Nice.
Downpipes in.
Wow.
And then
Let's follow Fudge. Wow.
with the unlock done in the flash.
Wow.
Yay. We're almost there.
Lowering springs next.
Yes.
And then tomorrow we'll get how it sounds, little flyby, and how it looks with the springs. Thanks, Fudge.
What are you doing to a base car?
I'll put it under this.
Yeah.
Ooh. How many cars you got coming in?
Like 6.
Alright, well, guess what? Figure it out.
The next day.
Alright, Fudge.
It's an accordion.
Are those the Dynan upgraded
The boot that doesn't work with the
boots?
front. Yeah.
Oh, it doesn't work?
No, it's okay because Dynan actually suggests if you could remove the OEM boot and reuse it, they suggest doing that. So the front, it works differently.
Looks like we got the front spring in, Fudge.
So this is one spring. So we got the Dynan spring in. The bump stop is underneath the boot right there.
Okay.
So you can see that's the new spring.
Over here.
Okay, here's the old spring. It's just boring.
It is boring.
It's always nice. The blue matches the caliper. You'll never
It
see
does.
it.
It
but
does. You'll never see it. But 4?
Dynan springs for the M3?
Nah, Haas kit.
H.
How you feeling today, Nick?
KW Hospital?
It's gonna be a track car, so we're gonna get KW V3s or
Oh,
OMs.
V3s?
Yeah.
Are you really going to make it a track car?
Yeah. I'm gonna run 305s in the rear.
You heard?
Big wang.
Henry, you heard?
Big wang.
Big wing.
Big wang. How big we talking?
Big.
Yeah,
Big wing. He's got 14 cars out back. He needs to get.
Yeah, I
done.
know. Nick, you ever heard of such a thing?
No.
Bye.
Let's go count them.
Alright, Fudge. Well, it seems to be the 340 is complete.
Wow.
How'd it go?
Pretty good.
Good?
Yeah, everything went smooth. All of our installs went smooth, other than that exhaust clamp. But we put a new one on there, so that was all good. The Dynon springs, they sit good. They're not
Sits
as
nice.
low as like an H&R or an
Well, still's got to
would be.
settle a little bit, you know. Little settling.
Yeah,
Little
just
settling will happen.
just a little bit. But I like the way it sits. It's
Looks good.
functional. It fits good with the wheels and tires.
Yep.
It looks great. It
It
drives
does.
great. It feels great. It sounds great. It is great.
You know what that means, Fudge? Let's get a cold start. Go ahead, Fudge. Yeah, Fudge, it's warm. It's warm.
It's warm.
You want to
We'll
give
get
me
one later.
Yeah, let's go for a ride. And we are in the 340i X Drive.
With our seatbelts on.
Seatbelts on.
Ooh,
Safety first.
my boy got the yellow shorts on today.
Yeah, we got the yellows.
The Burtons.
So we have the AWE. Is this a track or touring?
Touring.
So we have the AWE touring exhaust paired.
And it is a touring, not a track this time. I know that for a fact. Oh,
Paired.
It's a nice guy right there. He's letting me go.
We have it paired with the emissions downpipe.
Yes.
See how it sounds. What mode are we in right now?
Right now it's in comfort.
We're in
I don't know if
comfort.
it's in valve. I can't remember if it's valve or not. I don't think it is. But the tune, we added a little bit of burble on sport.
Okay. Switching it over to sport.
Switching over to sport.
All right.
Just a little bit of throttle.
Feels
Nothing
good.
Too crazy.
Give me some burble. All right.
I left it on the OEM setting, so
Okay.
it's just a little bit of a, crackle pop, nothing like crazy. But if you want to turn it up, that's on him. He can turn it all the way up if he wants to.
All right.
That's what Karen said.
Sounds really good, Fudge. Let's get a flyby. We got the M3. Fudge, we got a real M in the lot. We got a real M in the lot. Right there. That sounds great. Fudge, that thing sounds great.
Off to alignment we go.
And that's all she wrote.
And in the